Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your timeline and saving a version copy so you can always revert. Once done, go to the Fairlight page because this is where audio edits are precise. Make track heights large and inspect gaps visually. This helps you spot small silence. Make sure ripple edits and snapping are turned off to prevent accidental shifts when trimming. Now scrub and mark the start and end of each audio gap with the playhead so you can target them quickly. You now remove the gaps. Use the range tool or blade to isolate each silent area, then play back 1 to 2 seconds to confirm it's truly silence. Delete the selection, and rather than leaving a hard cut, use auto ripple or the close gap command to pull audio together. This keeps timing intact. After closing, apply a short crossfade of 5 to 15 milliseconds on the joins to remove clicks and abrupt changes. Make sure to solo tracks when unsure about what's removed. You finish by balancing levels and rendering a short test to verify the fix. Normalize clips or use clip gain to smooth loudness differences introduced by trimming. Once done, listen across the splice points and render that section to confirm no artifacts remain. If you still hear gaps, make sure clips aren't accidentally unlinked from video, check timeline frame rate and timeline start timecode, and confirm there are no muted automation lanes. If problems continue, undo to your save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.